Hey everybody, so this will be a quick video on how I corrected my mistakes. If you watched my other video, this will be like a really quick video on me trying to correct my mistakes from the last one. And this is a totally different one. This is not the same one. I didn't seam rip anything. This is a whole new one on a different daughter. So hope you guys like this short video and thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is a correction video. This is not me doing a whole tutorial. This is a correction video. I have 3 parts to making this puffer vest and skirt, so y'all have to watch that. And I know my hands are ashy. I have to wash my hands like a lot. But yeah, let's just get into it. So I serged it finally. I set up the serge machine. It was late. In my other videos, it was super late and I didn't feel like it. So yeah, so I serged the school fabric. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to basically sandwich them. I'm going to fold each side and then I'm just going to pin it together so it can be sandwiched together and it can be neat looking and you won't see the edges on either one. So again, like I'm doing right here, you fold each side in a little and sandwich them in between and they're just going to pin it. And you're just going to sew a straight stitch. You're going to do the same all around the whole entire thing. This is how it looks sewn. And again, I'm just going to sew a straight one. I'm going to sew it on this side. What's that? I'll sew it on this side and it's going to be just a straight stitch going, going all around. It's all sewn down or sewn together and it looks much cleaner than the first one. I'm going to keep practicing and figure out a perfect way because right here, this is when I was having trouble when I started recording. And I don't like that when I start recording, it stuff mess up. Like, why is you trying to embarrass me? Like, I was doing it right the whole time. Now you want to just try to embarrass me? That don't make any sense. The other correction was the collar, and I kind of showed y'all in the first video when I mentioned the collar, but I'm just going to show y'all here again, like the whole process. So after you turn it inside out and it's basically a pouch, this pouch is really the collar. Keep that in mind, please. Then you're going to place the batting inside of the pouch, aka the collar. Then after that, then you just want to serge the batting off and make sure it's like clean looking and professional looking. As you're serging, make sure you're pushing the batting to the left side, which is the top of the collar. You want to make sure the batting is up there and not empty. So make sure you're pushing to the left. I had to slow this down because I clearly missed some spots. So I had to make sure I pushed the fabric over to the right again. And now I'm just going to serge it again. That is it, you guys. If y'all need to watch my tutorials, go ahead, because if you came across this one, you're not gonna understand. You are not gonna understand what I'm talking about. So make sure y'all watch them videos first. And thank you again for watching. Bye.